What is up, guys? This is Dana from Russ's Ocean State Harley-Davidson here in Warwick, Rhode Island. Out here with a new bike that we've got on a dealer trade. This is a Road King Special. Road King Specials are hard to get this year, so we got a Road King Special in this beautiful Billiard Burgundy color. Milwaukee A114 6-speed cruise drive tranny, all blacked out front end, motor, exhaust. This bike has the same bags as like the Street Glide and the Road Glide Specials. Stretch bags. It has the filler trim around the rear fender, 3-bar lights at the bottom, cool Road King logo on the console. Really nice looking dash on this bike. This bike has a set of Mini-Apes on it. I believe these are the 12-inch, not the 16-inch Mini-Apes, and they really changed the look of the bike dramatically in the front end. Just gives it such a cool look. I don't know if any of these views are really doing it justice or not, but if I had another Road King beside it to compare it to, you really see the difference. The bike looks fantastic with these bars on it. Really, especially because it's the Special, so it's been kind of trimmed down. It's kind of a sleek looking bike to begin with, and you add these bars to it. It really looks nice. Let's go ahead and start this bike so you can hear it go. Really like this one. Really like this one a lot. So come on down, guys, and buy this one before I do. See our full current inventory online at oceanstatehd.com. Hope everyone's having a great day. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you all real soon.